In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your work email on LinkedIn. We'll walk through the process from your computer and finish on your phone, so keep both handy for a smooth experience. Start on your computer, open your preferred web browser, and sign in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the home page, click the Me icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select View Profile. On your profile, look for the Resources section just under your name and click it. From the options that open, choose About This Profile. A pop-up will appear showing your name, join date, and contact information. Here you can learn more about verification by selecting the information link, but to move ahead with confirming your work email, choose the Verify Now button labeled Verify for free. LinkedIn notes that verified profiles tend to get more views, so it's worth doing. That opens the verification page. On desktop, you'll see instructions to use your mobile device to complete verification. Keep the page open, it will update when you're done. Grab your phone, open the camera, and point it at the QR code shown on your computer screen. When a link appears, tap it. For a smooth experience, make sure you have the LinkedIn app installed. If you don't, install it first, then return to scan the code again. After you tap the link, the LinkedIn app will open and may sign you in automatically. If prompted, sign in with your usual credentials. On the verification screen, choose Verify with DigiLocker. Now follow the prompts, enter your mobile number, your security PIN for DigiLocker, and the one-time password sent to your phone. Take your time and double check each entry to avoid typos. Then tap Submit. You may be asked to grant permission. Tap Allow, then continue to verify. The app will complete the check and you'll see confirmation that your profile has been verified on your mobile device. Return to your computer and give the page a moment to refresh. You should see the updated status indicating that your verification is successful. That's it. Your work email on LinkedIn is now verified. If anything doesn't load, try refreshing the page, ensuring your internet connection is stable, or rescanning the QR code with adequate lighting. And remember, completing verification helps build trust on your profile and can make you more discoverable. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more straightforward tutorials.